High five. Take five. Show me five. We're talking all about the number five this week. And you, if you're working with Mrs. Mann as well, you are going to make turkeys out of your fingers, out of your fives. So that's exciting. So for Minds On earlier, we talked about how the number five is made in number blocks. And we decided that he was stacked with 5 blue blocks. But we still need to make our number 5 info sheet or placemat to put on our number line. So I thought it'd be really cool if we did our high five in the middle of our paper and then wrote the number 5 inside. So you're going to need to spread your fingers wide. You might need to ask a friend to help trace your hand. Get a pencil or marker or crayon. Spread your hands wide. And we're going to trace our hand. Ooh, that tickles. Tickles, tickles, tickles. Make sure your fingers are spread wide because you don't want them too smushy. You want to be able to write some things in the middle of your hand. So we're going to make a number 5. A hat and a belly. You see that 5? 5 is also spelled F-I-V-E. 4 letters. Too bad there wasn't 5 letters. But I think I'm going to spell 5 in my fingers. F-I-V-E. Now we've got a really cool 5 number line. So we've also shown 5 with our high fives. How else can we show 5? 5 tally marks. Now watch this. When we get to 4, we shut the door. That's what 5 looks like in tallies. Yeah. So now we're at number 5. How else could we show 5? Let's think back to what we've done. Oh, did you say dice? Smarty pants. That's right. You can draw a square and you can put 5 dots to show 5. Now, Miss Hake's sheet is only black and white, so I'm going to need to work hard, and I need to make this a little bit more colorful. So I think I'm going to add 5 stars in yellow. I'll show it to you in a minute. Then I can spend some time coloring in my hand and making it look pretty. So have fun showing me 5 different ways. And then you can add this to your number book you're creating or the number line that you're making. Have a lot of fun. High five. Bye.